Hi there, you are watching GetProspect tutorial. The topic of this video is sharing a workspace with a team. If you and your team use GetProspect for work, you don't need to buy a separate plan for each member and hustle with constant exporting of data between different accounts. Instead, you can simply invite your teammates to your workspace and share your subscription plan and collected data. You need to go to your account settings and choose the Workspaces and Teams section. There you can edit your workspace name and invite your colleagues by typing their email addresses and pressing Add to the Team button. This will send an invitation to your teammate to join you. You can view the status of the invitation in the list below. Let's take a look at how your teammate will be joining you. In response to your request for your teammate to join your workspace, they will receive an email invitation. Then they will need to click here. Provide the required information and create a password. After that, click on Get Started. They can enter the verification code that was sent to their email address or click here. Your teammate has joined your workspace, and the best part is that they have access to your workplace data. From here, the invited user can switch between shared and personal workspaces. And as you can see, the status is confirmed. Workspace admins can track each team member's usage in the usage section of their accounts. To exclude a team member from your workspace, you can press the trash bin icon next to the email address. Leads Finder tool GetProspect is the best tool for B2B sales, recruiting, and marketing managers. Get started now by signing up on getprospect.com. Thanks for watching.